Here's my Google Drive folder. I have folders here for my 8th grade, which I've been teaching the past few years, for each of the subjects that I have taught in 8th grade, as well as specific ones. My students do things with Junior Scholastic, so I've saved all of those assignments in there. Their assessments, when I give them assessments through Google, it's in there. Here's my Purdue folder. Within this, I have a folder for my theory class, place to store documents through that course. I can also create a new document. Let's see. So if I just create a blank document here, and when it opens up, pardon the slowness, I can go here. I can title this document. Let's make ups. Trends in education. So we'll start the document. We share it with somebody else. Share it there. Yes. Okay, so I've shared it with somebody else, so then they can also edit it. I can move it into my folder if I'm going to use this for my theory class. I will move it into here, and then that is it. So those are some of the things that I can do inside of my Drive so that I can store my documents properly. Thank you.